When removing an ECM connector, depress this tab to unlatch the lock. To replace an ECM terminal, begin by depressing the tab and unlatching the lock on the ECM connector. Remove the zip tie from the connector harness. Remove the wire cover by gently prying out on the two tabs while pushing forward on the cover. Slide the cover out of position. Slide the terminal lock out of the side of the connector. Select the correct diameter remover tool for the terminal you are removing. Insert the tool into the connector face with one pin on each side of the terminal. Gently remove the terminal from the connector. Remove the remover tool. Install a new terminal and crimp it using the appropriate terminal crimper. Insert the new terminal fully into the connector. Completely slide the terminal lock into position. Slide the wire cover on until both tabs engage. Attach a zip tie through the connector and around the harness. Trim the zip tie neatly. Finally, insert the connector into the ECM. Latch the lock back into position.